Hi there, and welcome at Smully Art. For those of you who really liked the video where I turn a drawing made by Jeff, the son of one of my best friends, into a finished illustration, I have good news, because his sister, Mary, or Marie, like we say in this part of the world, has made me a drawing as well. And let's have a look what she came up with. And she made me this amazing drawing. I'm very impressed with her drawing skills at this young age. And she drew me a girl that is transforming into a monster of some kind. We can already see she has a monster hand here and also one monster eye over there. It's a creepy drawing. We have some blood on her leg and on her face also. And there's some energy burst going on that's pulling up her hair. A very cool design. I'm really looking forward to turn this one into a finished illustration. So let's not wait any longer and let's get drawing. Well, that's it for this week. I really hope you guys liked the drawing. Thank you, Mary, for the very impressive drawing you made me. It was a pleasure working on it. If you liked the video, hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you know somebody in your surroundings, a family member or a friend who would like to see these kinds of videos as well, don't hesitate to share. So that wraps up this week's video. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!